Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Walkie Talkie app on your Apple Watch and tapping Add Friends. This initiates a quick invite via FaceTime. Once done, make sure your contact accepts and has Walkie enabled on their watch. Also verify that Bluetooth plus either Wi-Fi or cellular are on so audio can route, otherwise you can't connect. If Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode is blocking alerts, turn those off so invitations and incoming chimes register immediately. Next, select the contact you added and tap to open the Walkie screen. This establishes the channel. Press and hold the big talk button to transmit. Speak clearly into the watch microphone, then release the button to hear the reply. Make sure you position the watch near your mouth and adjust volume with the crown for clarity. If the contact is unavailable, you'll see a busy or disconnected state. Try again later or verify their availability settings. To finish, tap the contact once more to toggle Walkie access off or simply close the app. This stops incoming pushes from that person. If audio problems or connection failures persist, make sure both watches run the latest watch OS and reboot each device, because software updates and restarts often clear transient issues. Finally, verify the FaceTime account is signed in and the network connection is stable. Doing those 3 steps resolves most stubborn Walkie failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.